Hello students, welcome back to our grammar class. Today we are going to learn about subject-verb agreement. As we learned in the previous grade, the interconnected agreement between the subject and the verb in a sentence is called the subject-verb agreement. For example, he is an excellent chef. Here, the verb is used for the subject he, both of which are singular. Hence, the sentence is grammatically correct. Rules of subject-verb agreement. Agreement of number. In a sentence, the subject and verb should agree on the numbers and persons referred to in the sentence. For example, I am a part of a group assignment. Here, the subject, I, is singular and hence agree with the verb am, which is also singular. Agreement of person. Similarly, the person in the sentence can be first, second, or third person. For example, you are a good student. Here, the subject, you, is in second person and hence the verb is used accordingly. Plural subjects and pronouns. In a sentence with quantifiers and pronouns, the verbs used are as follows. For singular verb, used with quantifiers or pronouns like little or much. Example, little has been known about you since you arrived. For plural verb, used with quantifiers or pronouns like many, several, both, all, some, and a few. Example, several individuals are taking part in the campaign. Singular indefinite subjects. In a sentence with words like each, either, everyone, one of, and neither, the verb used is singular. For example, each of the students is preparing hard. Conjunction and. In a sentence where the conjunction and is used to join two subjects, the verb is plural. For example, mathematics and science are taught by the same teacher at her school. Additional rules to keep in mind. In a sentence, the words between the subject and the verb does not affect the agreement. For example, the chef from that restaurant is not there anymore. In a sentence, it is not necessary to place the subject and verb next to each other. For example, would you like to go on a drive? In a sentence beginning with here or there, the verb agrees with the subject mentioned later. For example, here is the man of the hour. In a sentence with or, nor, neither nor, either or, used to join plural nouns or pronouns, the verb agrees with the closest subject. For example, neither he nor I am qualified for this. Anushka or Saloni is about to arrive to the city. In a sentence with everybody or anybody, the verb is singular. For example, everybody is invited to the party. Time to practice. Pause the video and try filling the blanks in the practice sentences. Great work, students! You've now learned the rules of subject-verb agreement in detail. Practice using them in your sentences every day. Keep learning and see you in the next class.